actually really like this board, so I'm going to make another video, longer video, showing how I actually build it into an amp. But just really quick, here is a real quick, whatever you want to call it, putting it together video. All right, hope you're having fun and good luck. Okay, so I have a 3886 board. Came with, you can see it came with, just a sheet of paper that's got all the values for the resistors and stuff to figure out everything else you can pretty much determine by the shape of it. So it should be a pretty interesting kit. I think I've got pretty much everything I need. Some voltage regulators, giant 10,000 microfarad capacitors. Yeah, all right, let's put it together. First, get all the resistors. That takes a while to go through there. Then you got to go through and solder it and cut all the legs, but step one. Use some thermal paste on the heat sinks on the, 24 volt stuff, the voltage converters, the 7804, no, I'm sorry, it's 317, the 337, and the 7824 on this particular board. So we'll figure out where they go now. Still plugging away. Got a bunch more of the caps to do, big caps, but almost done. Throw on the rectifier, and then of course the two chips, and we're good. There's the dog. Say hi, dog. Hey, dog. Alright. And here we go. Okay, so this is this LM3886 board that you're seeing that they're selling all over now. It was kind of fun to put together, but just a couple of things I noticed. Couldn't find a diagram anywhere. It just came with that sheet that I showed you up front, and that was a little bit of a bummer. I mean, you can kind of tell what's going on. You've got your rectifier over here, some filter capacitors, and then you've got an LM317 and an LM337 for the positive and negative voltages, and I don't know what that is, a 7812 or 7824 or something for the rest. Then you go over here, you've got your audio input, and you've got any 5534s, trying to boost up the gain before it gets to the 3886s, which are here. Then here are OP07s, again op amps, and I blew those out when I was first putting this together. I actually broke the leg on one of them because I'm old and I can't see what I'm doing. And so that was the first thing when I first tried to power this on to listen to it. That was one of the problems. So I had to order some replacements that came. I flipped them out. I ordered 3, and then once I verified they worked, I flipped them out so at least they match. But with that said, let's go ahead and see if there's something we can listen to here. All right, let me plug it in. Dim bulb tester over there. So I've got a 40-watt bulb in there. We'll test that out in a second too, so that we can see how much current this thing draws. So typically I think we should be able to get it, to start going off, because 40 watts is pretty low, but so both channels are working. Sounds nice, but now let's see if we can draw some more current. Yeah, it's a fun kit, easy to put together. It's, I don't know, about 30, 35 bucks. Well worth the money. I hope you have it. Enjoy yourself.